How to choose between online and offline feature stores. Discover the critical differences to optimize your machine learning pipelines and enhance your data professional skills.
Welcome to our video on how to choose between online and offline feature stores. Feature stores are pivotal in managing and sharing machine learning features. By the end of this video, you'll grasp the differences between online and offline feature stores, when to use each, and how they integrate with your machine learning pipelines. Let's dive into unlock the true potential of your data. A feature store is a centralized repository for storing and managing machine learning features. It plays a crucial role in ensuring feature consistency across training and serving environments. By facilitating feature reuse, it enhances collaboration among data teams and supports model reproducibility. Whether you're deploying models in real time or batch processes, a feature store ensures that the features are readily available, reliable, and consistent. This centralized approach not only streamlines the workflow but also significantly reduces the time to production, making it a must-have in modern data infrastructures.
Online feature stores are designed to support real-time data processing, making them essential for applications that require instantaneous model predictions. These stores integrate seamlessly with streaming data sources, enabling them to provide low-latency access to features in production environments. Online feature stores are optimized for speed, ensuring that the data is fresh and available for immediate use. They're particularly beneficial in scenarios where decisions need to be made quickly, such as fraud detection or recommendation systems, where every millisecond counts. Understanding their architecture and use cases is vital for optimizing real-time machine learning applications. Offline feature stores are built for batch processing and are integral to analyzing historical data. They ensure feature versioning, allowing data scientists to track and manage changes over time. Offline stores facilitate extensive data exploration and experimentation, making them ideal for building and refining machine learning models. They are optimized for cost efficiency and scalability, supporting large volumes of data without sacrificing performance. When working with offline feature stores, teams can focus on thorough analysis and model training, leveraging historical data to drive insights and predictions.
Understanding the key differences between online and offline feature stores is crucial for selecting the right approach for your needs. Online stores prioritize low latency and real-time processing, while offline stores focus on high throughput and batch processing. Data freshness is another critical factor. Online stores provide immediate data availability, whereas offline stores often deal with historical data. These differences also translate into cost implications, with online stores typically being more expensive due to their need for speed. Additionally, integration capabilities vary, with online stores better suited for streaming data sources and offline stores for batch data pipelines. Online feature stores are indispensable in scenarios that demand real-time data processing. Fraud detection systems rely on them to identify suspicious activities instantaneously. Real-time recommendation engines, such as those used in e-commerce and streaming services, leverage online feature stores to deliver personalized suggestions on the fly. Dynamic pricing models, which adjust prices based on current demand and supply, also benefit from online feature stores. Customer interaction platforms, which require immediate feedback and updates, and IoT devices, which operate at the edge, are other practical applications where online feature stores shine. Offline feature stores are well suited for applications that involve batch processing and in-depth analysis. Predictive maintenance systems, which analyze historical data to predict equipment failures, rely on offline feature stores. Customer segmentation and profiling, which require extensive data processing and analysis, benefit from the capabilities of offline feature stores. Long-term trend analysis, essential for strategic decision-making, is another area where offline feature stores excel. They also play a critical role in model training and validation, providing the necessary data infrastructure for developing robust machine learning models. Additionally, they serve as operational data storage solutions, efficiently handling large volumes of data. Integrating feature stores with machine learning pipelines ensures a seamless flow of data from storage to model input. This integration enhances model accuracy by providing consistent and reliable features. It simplifies data management, allowing data scientists to focus on model development rather than data wrangling. Automated pipelines benefit from feature stores by streamlining data processing and feature engineering tasks, leading to faster deployment speeds. Whether you're using online or offline feature stores, understanding how they integrate with your pipelines is vital for optimizing performance and achieving your machine learning goals.
When choosing between online and offline feature stores, performance considerations and trade-offs are key. Balancing speed and accuracy is crucial. While online stores offer speed, they may sacrifice some accuracy. Optimizing resource usage is another important factor, as online stores tend to consume more resources due to their low latency requirements. Managing data latency, particularly in online environments, is essential for maintaining data freshness. Scalability challenges must be addressed, ensuring that the feature store can handle increasing data volumes without performance degradation. Finally, ensuring reliability and consistency across feature stores is vital for maintaining the integrity of machine learning models.
Cost is a significant factor when deciding between online and offline feature stores. Online stores generally incur higher operational costs due to their real-time processing capabilities and resource demands. In contrast, offline stores offer cost efficiency, especially for batch processing and long-term data storage. It's important to consider the long-term budget impacts of each approach and evaluate the infrastructure needs accordingly. Determining the return on investment, ROI, for each feature store type is crucial for making informed decisions that align with your organization's financial goals and data strategy.
Examining real-world examples and case studies provides valuable insights into the practical applications of online and offline feature stores. Successful implementations across industries showcase the scalability and efficiency of feature stores. Lessons learned from failures offer critical takeaways, guiding better decision-making. Industry-specific applications reveal how feature stores can be tailored to meet unique demands, such as healthcare or finance. Scalable solutions demonstrate how organizations have leveraged feature stores to handle growing data needs. Innovative use cases highlight the creative ways feature stores are being utilized to drive business success and technological advancement. In conclusion, choosing between online and offline feature stores requires a careful assessment of your specific requirements. Consider factors such as data latency, volume, cost, and resource constraints. Leverage insights from real-world examples to guide your decision-making process. Ultimately, the right choice will optimize your machine learning pipeline and enhance your data strategy. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on optimizing your data infrastructure. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next.